I have spent so much time having a love-hate relationship with Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. It's all like, ugh, it's too much, but also you want to have a voice and you want to participate in what's going on in the world. How do we do that without losing our minds? I have 3 really simple tips that I'm going to share with you. The psh method. I literally just made it up. I just wrote down my 3 tools that I use in my head and it spelled psh, so that's what we're going with. Number 1, sounds cheesy, but it's really important, okay? Pay attention to how you feel whenever you're using social media. For me, I don't have Instagram or Facebook anymore because you know what? It makes me feel like crap. I pretend that it doesn't, but whenever it's not in my life, I feel so much better. I had no idea what it was doing to my mental health. As soon as you can become more aware of how you feel, that's going to be a really good indicator of where you should spend your time. Number 2, S. I have to look at it. Hang on just a second. Stop the scroll. Sit and you scroll and you scroll and you scroll and you're like, I don't even know these people. Part 2 and part 3 go together. H is have a goal. Whenever you get on social media, have a goal. You can say it out loud. Maybe your goal is, I'm gonna watch YouTube videos about how to write a resume. I'm gonna watch YouTube cat videos because I need to laugh. Maybe you set a timer, and then when the timer goes off, get off my phone. We're gonna pay attention to how we feel, stop the scroll, and one way that we do that is by having a goal with the time that we spend online. And then get off, go outside, live your life. These practices take time to kind of take root in our life. If you have like one successful day with it and you're like, yes, I'm awesome, and then the next day you like scroll for 2 hours and you're like, what's happening in my life? Give yourself a break, be aware of what happened, and then you can change tomorrow. The machines are smarter than us. They know how to keep us hooked. We have to slowly train ourselves how to use technology appropriately if we want to be able to use it for good in our life. So give yourself grace. This is a process. It's a journey. Let me know in the comments what type of social media you feel like you can be a part of without losing your mind, and any practices that you have for staying healthy on social media.